Prime Minister Narendra Modi is closely monitoring every aspect of India's response, internally or externally. And therefore, yesterday, after Home Minister was given responsibility to speak to the chief secretaries, chief ministers, DGPs of different states and union territories joining to the border areas of Pakistan and Nepal, today Prime Minister himself chairing all-important meeting with the secretaries of different departments, and this is for the preparedness. This is for inter-ministerial coordination between different departments across the governance, and to better to better implement it, Prime Minister had given directions to it. We have been told at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, Prime Minister chaired this meeting from the officials from the Prime Minister's office, secretaries from key ministries including Defence, Home Affairs, External Affairs, Information and Broadcasting, Power, Health and Telecommunication. All of those secretaries were called in. Prime Minister himself briefed about how to coordinate amongst the ministries, among the departments at a time when India will be on alert. India will be in a position to retaliate if there is a response that comes in from Pakistan. Prime Minister also reviewed the planning and preparations by ministries to deal with the current situation. Secretaries have been directed to undertake the comprehensive review of their respective ministries' operations and to ensure foolproof functioning of emergency response and internal communication as well. Very, very important to note what the government has been saying. Anti-India propaganda should be stopped as soon as possible. The Information Broadcasting Department had been told to regular update on their PIB website about the fact-checking of the fake news which is being propagated by several social media accounts. The chief ministers of different states had been told to their respective cybercrime departments to identify those who are peddling fake news around, and those should be identified and an action should be taken at first. At this point of time, which is very, very sensitive, no fake news should spread. The message has been sent out very clear to the health department that first aid and medical emergency should be on alert. All hospitals should be kept on alert. There should be sensitive locations that should be chosen for an option to deal with the medical emergency. The Power Ministry had been given responsibility in a position of blackout, in a situation of blackout, how the operationalization of these of the mechanism to put the entire area into blackout should be done effectively. So strict vigilance and stringent measures is something that the governance is currently focusing on. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself chairing this inter-ministerial secretariat meeting at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. And just to update, last point, the Saudi Arabia Minister of State also met Prime Minister just a while ago, and they have left the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg as well.
All right, just to update, that's a very interesting, update, Aishwarya, given that you have, the minister from Iran in India right now, that already you have, Dr. Jaishankar meeting with, but the Saudi minister arriving here, this was an unplanned visit. Tell us more about that, because it's interesting at a time of these heightened tensions with Pakistan and Operation Sindoor having taken place. We do know that Saudi has a great deal of influence in Pakistan.
Well, that's right. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Saudi Arabia at a time when Pahalgam terror attack happened. He cut short his trip and landed back in Delhi and took high-level meetings. The next day, he chaired the cabinet meeting, the CCS, the CCPA as well, and important decisions were taken. Saudi Arabia, in that regard, is very important. Saudi Arabia plays a crucial role in in Pakistani establishment. Saudi Arabia is a close ally of Pakistan as well. But Prime Minister had a great rapport with the Prince and King of Saudi Arabia. His minister had landed. This was an unplanned trip, as we all know, and he had met Prime Minister. The meeting lasted for almost 1.5 hours. After the Home Secretary left, we saw Saudi Arabia minister going inside. He was there for almost 1.5 hours, and just when I was speaking just few minutes back, he left from his residence from 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. It was, this meetings is very, very important at this point in time when India is reacting to the terrorist strikes on Indian soil, and Saudi Arabia, Turkey, that are close allies with Pakistan, and Indian establishment speaking to these countries plays a huge role. Of course, condemnation had come from different parts of the world, but few allies of Pakistan, if they come together with India in condemning this terror attack and putting a full stop to the terror activities there in Pakistan, and in retaliation what they are thinking certainly will be a big win, a diplomatic victory for India as well.